friends, today we will observing osmosis in potato cup experiment.
What is the osmosis? The movement of water molecules from low concentration to high concentration through permeable membrane is called osmosis.
Material required: potato, knife, bell pin, spoons, sugar and water. Plate.
First we have a take fresh raw potato and cut it in cube shape.
Prepare a potato cup.
Ananya. This is potato cup. It's like a cup. Observe osmosis in potato cup experiment. Now we have prepared sugar solution. Take water and pour sugar 3 spoons and mix it. It is dissolving in water. It is highly concentrated solution. Half of this sugar solution on potato cup and mark with a ball pin. Now we put in plate and pour in plate normal water. Observe carefully what happened here. Water level increased in potato and decreased in plate.
Because of osmosis, in this process, water molecules move from low concentration to high concentration through permeable membrane. This process is called osmosis.
Dear friends, you can understand this process. What is the osmosis? Yes.
మా ఈ చిన్నారులు చేసిన ప్రయత్నాన్ని ఎంకరేజ్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.